The need for integrated housing plan in the inner city of Cape Town took center stage when political parties campaigned during last year's local government election. With 11 properties made available to developers to accelerate social housing, the city says this is an effort to speed up the process. But the ANC in the province has denounced the plan as short-sighted, instead planning their own audit of all state-owned land in the province.
We cannot simply go on selling land, whereas there's such a housing need at different levels. There's a need to upgrade informal settlements. There's a need for subsidy-linked houses, for RDP housing, for social housing that is 3 or 4 story walk-ups, different needs. And we believe that that's why we want a transparent audit, and that the city, in consultation with communities, then says this is how we're going to use. Because these 18 properties are not the sum total of the city's properties. They've got many, many other pieces of land. The province owns land in the city. The national government owns land. So we need these audits so that we can have a process of clear and transparent land release to our people, especially those that were victims of racial oppression.
Social housing activist group Reclaim the City says communities were never consulted about the auctioning off of land.
For so long, we have been trying to engage with the city of Cape Town around these 11 sites. The Woodstock Hospital being one of the sites that has been earmarked for affordable housing and that we are occupying now. And so for us, this comes as a surprise because the city has never had any public participation processes regarding these 11 sites.
The city of Cape Town says the release of the land to private developers will ensure faster development of affordable housing in the inner city. And they plan to sell the sites before the end of financial year.
We have developed a new disposal strategy, and that disposal strategy now makes us to dispose these sites a bit quicker, and all of them will be disposing them in this financial year. And one of them is the site that we are standing on, which is on Rollins Street in the inner city. So developers and also your SHIs will be coming up with proposal on how to develop it.
The ANC, in the meantime, says the city has sold over 300 properties since 2015, saying there's nothing to show for it as far as addressing apartheid special planning in the city. Thule Joga, SABC News, Cape Town.